We went and looked at this house and I was like, okay, cool. It was built in 2021. So when we went in and looked at the pictures showed that it was dated kitchen, dated bathroom, right? So I said, okay, cool. Go down to the conversation under. So we ran the deal through Deal Hunter. And then I said, I want to know what it's going to cost to at least do the kitchen and bathroom. Go to kitchen and bathroom remodel right there. And then right here, go up all the way up to the top. You can see that I pulled the pictures in, told it I want to do a full remodel. It did the math on it, and it came out showing that the property was worth or the project was worth around $244,000 right there. So, and then as you go down, I said, I want to know what that's going to look like. What did you plan for it to look like? And so here's the conceptual drawings that it gave it.
And did the whole thing within minutes,
Right.
like a whole visual, like a
So
magnet.
then I said, I want to do I want to do a contract. And so when I told it I want to do a contract, now here's my contract for just that. And all of that was done. Scroll up. You can see, you can add up how long it took. So it gives you a little table of how long it took to create. On this one, it's didn't even give us a time, so I'm assuming it was instantaneous. It doesn't show, it's not showing the times that it took to create the answer, but it ranges anywhere between 3 seconds and like 3 seconds and 3 minutes, depending on how much information it's going to put in there. And the way that I've learned is that with GPT, the free version has an IQ of about 100, and then when you get the paid version, the plus, it's got an IQ of about 120, and then when you get the big one, the $200 a month, that one's got an IQ of closer to 180, and it's a ridiculous speed and all that.